let's just start by showing you the road. So the square, I can tell you, is almost all Victorian houses. It's a very quiet road. We've got Hyde End Road in the distance there, and by turning right at the end of the road there, that takes you up to Spencerswood shops. Just to let you know, in Spencerswood, for those of you that are not local, you have shops such as grocery stores, a couple of them, post office, bakers, hairdressers, pharmacy, that sort of thing. So really good facilities are within 5 minutes walk of this house. So focusing on the house itself, a Victorian double-fronted detached. It has been extended, quite heavily extended, so it's a very good sized family home. You can see we've got a beech hedge at the front here, but quite importantly the plot, you can see just how wide the plot is, because this is about a 30-foot side area here. Excellent parking. In fact, perhaps by removing the fence panels in front, you could actually take vehicles through to the rear garden. Alternatively, I guess, room to perhaps build double garage, that sort of thing. Always subject to planning, of course. So that's the side access. Let's now take you to the front door, which is just down here. You can see we've got a separate gate entrance as well. So we go through firstly into a porch. Let me step in first and close the front door. I'm just going to step in here and just give you an idea of the porch. Good little area here for coat hanging space, that sort of thing, boot space. Okay, so that's the porch, and then there's a further door here taking you into the main hallway. So the floor plan of this property is online, so you'll be able to see the measurements and also the layout. But just to give you an idea, at the front here we've got 2 reception rooms. There's the door there. Staircase taking you to the first floor, just in the corner there. We've got a very large sort of pantry store, which I'll show you in just a second. And then the remainder of the hallway is here. Door to the kitchen, door to the main lounge, and then a door to the downstairs WC with a shower cubicle. So first of all, I'm just going to show you this understairs store stroke pantry. There is a door in front of me there, which you can see, that takes you to the driveway. But really good, good storage for all sorts, including, looks like we've got a freezer sat there as well. So very, very good. I'm going to start with the main lounge. That's this one here at the back. It's a dual aspect room, as you can see. We've got the rear windows, the side window, and also the French doors to the rear garden. We've got a wood flooring here, and rather a nice feature is the fireplace, because we actually have a wood burner in the fireplace, as you can see. I'm just going to sort of wander around from side to side for a second so that you can at least see the true size of this room. It's quite a square room and a really nice size, and just going to give you an idea of the view from here down the garden. There you go, that's the view from here. Really nice, huge garden. I'll show you the garden at the end of the tour. I've just had one message that's come in to me, so I'll answer these messages, these questions rather, as we go, because it's just asking about access to the motorway. I'm guessing this is not a local person, so just to help you there, we are within 5 minutes drive of the junction 11 of the M4. So I'm just coming back into the hallway. I'm just going to show you firstly the second reception room here, which is at the front. We've got an open fireplace there, as you can see. Makes for a really nice family room. The windows here, I'm just looking, this is a UPVC double glaze, but it is of the sash window style, so it does actually match what the original house would have had. So that's quite a nice touch. So that is the family room. And then on the other side here, another reception room. Obviously with the different reception rooms you can use them for however suits your needs, but some could be a dining room. This one for instance is being used as a sort of office, a study. Again the front aspect window and the open fireplace there again. Just notice the wooden flooring again there. So that's 3 really nice reception rooms we've seen. And let's show you the kitchen, which is here. Kitchen, breakfast room, or even kitchen dining room maybe. Really good size. Again, dual aspect as you can see. We've got a side aspect window there. Let's just wander down, firstly just focusing on the area for the table and chairs and the French doors, which obviously again look down the rear garden. But I'm just going to turn around so I can focus on the kitchen. Here we go. So we have granite work surfaces. It's like a sort of cottage style kitchen really, but you can see that we've got in the corner there a 6-ringed gas range cooker, and we've got an integrated microwave there, space for the washing machine underneath. There's the sink unit. Let's just spin round, show you all the units, because on this side here more work surface units and eye level units there. There you go, that's the full extent of the kitchen. And just on my right we've got a door taking you into the lounge. And a tiled flooring, rather nice. So well fitted kitchen, tiled splashbacks, and good area for table and chairs as well. So that's the kitchen, sort of kitchen breakfast, kitchen diner, and we haven't quite finished on the ground floor because of course we have just here, we've got the downstairs WC with a shower cubicle. So that's the low level WC there, you can see. Got a heated towel rail. The shower cubicle is just in the corner here. And I'm going to step in and close the door because behind the door there we have the gas-fired boiler, Baxi boiler. And I'm just going to spin around full circle because there's a sink unit in here as well. So that's sort of one of the bathrooms of this house. So we've seen 3 really good sized reception rooms, good sized kitchen, breakfast room, kitchen diner maybe, and also the downstairs shower toilet. Let's make our way upstairs and let's show you the first floor. We've got a half landing window just here, and spinning round, here you go, there's just the landing in total. We've got access to the loft space just above me here. We have a fitted loft ladder there. It's quite a big landing actually. You wouldn't normally see a chest of drawers on the landing. So 4 bedrooms up here with ensuite to the master. Let's just go around the corner here and take you and show you the main bedroom. Now this is unusual. This is all part of the extension actually, because I'm going to point upwards. Now that is a very unusual feature. We've got a vaulted ceiling here in the master bedroom. Really nice. Plenty of space for furniture. And again, wooden flooring. There's a built-in wardrobe just there. You can see the door to the ensuite as well. I'm just going slowly to sort of really show you what this room has. It is unusual. And just pointing out the view down the garden from the rear. As you can probably spot, we've got a detached sort of brick-built home office halfway down. Okay, so let's now focus back on the property. I'll show you the garden in a moment. Main bedroom we've seen. Now we've got the ensuite just here. It's an ensuite bathroom. You can see we've got the wash basin and the low level WC, heated towel rail there in front. And then spinning round, we have one of these ornate freestanding baths with a shower fitment on it there. And just point out there is a window here in the ensuite as well. Often you find they don't have windows, they have extractor fans, but always nicer to have a window. So that's the main bedroom and ensuite. Let's now make our way through and show you the other bedrooms. First of all, across here, not actually used as a bedroom, as you can probably see, but again, pointing upwards, vaulted ceiling. And there's a built-in wardrobe just here to the left-hand side of me. It might be slightly difficult to appreciate this room, but I can tell you a very good double room. Again, wooden flooring. So that's 2 bedrooms. Now across here. So this is going into actually the original Victorian part of the house. This is bedroom 3, or bedroom 2, whichever way you want to call it. There's the radiator there, again pointing out the nice flooring. These sort of things really keep character in the house. This is the sort of thing that the Victorian house should have. So that's bedroom 3, or at least the third one that we've looked at. I'm going to spin round back onto the landing. In here, this is bedroom 4. Now this is the smallest room in the house, but I'm going to point down to show immediately there is a double bed sat here. Sometimes slightly difficult to actually show you the room on the camera, but at least you can see there is a double bed there. And the front aspect window, of course. Again, UPVC double glazed, but with the sash window style. Okay, let's get the door open there, back onto the landing. And now the family bathroom, which is here. And again, we've got a lot of character in here because, let's just, well, you can see straight away in front of me, it's not a low-level WC, it's actually one of the older style ornate high-level WCs. And there's the freestanding bath with the shower attachment, the mixer tap, and then a pedestal wash basin just there. Again, slightly unusual. You can see we've got a cupboard, freestanding cupboard just sat there, so that probably demonstrates just how big the bathroom is. Nice flooring again. Okay, so that is the 4 bedrooms. Another view of the landing here. The 4 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms upstairs, all double bedrooms. We've got a sort of side aspect window there looking down onto the driveway. So that is the house. Let's now take you back downstairs and I'll show you the garden. There are different ways of getting to the garden, but I've opened the doors here through the kitchen. So first of all, full width patio area here, as you can see. And yeah, an absolutely stunning garden. You've got a pathway there, look, leading down towards the end. Lots of bushes on this right-hand side here. And then we've got the lawn here. I'm just going to start by pointing out the shed in the corner here, but also this sort of side area that we've got. Because this, you know, my immediate thought was you could extend further perhaps, but as I mentioned earlier, you know, double garage or just lots of parking. So really good side plot. I'll point out the back of the property in a moment. Let's just wander down the garden here. And you'll notice that we've got this brick-built home office with heating, light and power. Quite a nice little building actually. And beyond here, more of the garden. It really is a wide plot. The sizes I think are on the advert that we have online. Let's just now wander back towards the house. And I'm just going to stand here for a second and point out There you go, the back of the house. I could spend a lot of time in the garden, to be honest. It's very nice. So that is the tour of this house. So if you have any further questions, please do give us a call. My name's Gary. Number's on the website, and of course it's the same number to arrange a viewing appointment. Thank you for those that have clicked on that button in the corner to request a viewing appointment. We'll be in touch, and obviously this is the last opportunity to click on that button if you'd like to take a look at this property. And yeah, we look forward to hearing from anybody that might be interested. So thanks for watching.